Hey, what's up guys, it's Laashak again here, and in this video we're going to talk about something important. Well, you might ask, what is this device? And first of all, this video isn't sponsored. And continuing with the subject, what is this device? So this is used for holding in a hard drive, and it's used for reading a hard drive. So what happens is, this is a portable device where you can insert your hard drive, and that'll be used for your storage. So basically, I use it on for saving my YouTube videos. And you might ask, why is it useful? Well, if you have a device like this and the hard drive, well, not an SSD but a hard drive, physical hard drive, you will so this is what I'm having right now, and I took it from my old laptop. So, and if you have free hard drives driving around that you have taken from laptops that you don't use anymore, well, this would be the perfect solution. So this is a hard drive that I took from a Dell laptop, and now I have it in hand since I've replaced the hard drive in the laptop itself. And for doing this trick, well, what is this trick? It's for using an old hard drive. Well, why is it used? You can get the space practically for free. I mean, not free though, since you gotta pay for the casing. What you're gonna need is, first, let's talk about the stuff you need. You need a cable like this. So this is well, the Samsung Galaxy S5's cable, the fast charging cable, or else you can go ahead and purchase hard drive's cable. And then you have to get a hard drive reader. In my case, I have this thing right here. So then in the hard drive reader, you will have the USB 3.0, which is the thing I was talking about before, the cable. And we have the hard drive reader itself. So then we have the hard drive itself, that this can be purchased easily. It's kind of cheap right now because of the SSD market, so the hard drives are cheap right now. Well, it might change. And you get one with 3 ports, or you can reuse ones from your laptop, your broken laptop. Anyways, so that hard drive comes from my old laptop since I replaced the hard drive inside that. So what you have to do is you insert properly like that, and make sure you lock it properly since it's going to be running inside, and you keep it in a stable place. Then you keep this power off. So you keep this off until you get well, you connect it to a computer. Then you put your USB 3.0 inside, so like that, and you're set to go. You have a USB which you can connect to your PC and access all your files in the hard drive. Well, in my case, I have 1 TB right inside, so I'll have 1 TB plus my PC storage. Basically, I'll have a 2 TB in my local disk. I can connect many of these and get more storage. And you can also turn this off and turn it on whenever you want it. For example, you connect it and you turn it on. So that's gotta be it for this video today. Well, okay. Make sure you subscribe and follow me on Instagram for latest tech updates. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.